now that is obvious to us that 99.9% of children born in abroad are not going back to our fatherland to settle. What is the next action? What is our advice? And we also said that the people that with advantage are those who have children before traveling abroad, maybe through they are the ones in advantage. So what are we now advising men in abroad to do? Should everybody go home and pregnant a woman, marry second wife or third wife, or adopt? That is the main thing. So if you have been following the first one, second one, third one, you might be thinking that, oh, the Reggae Messiah is encouraging people now to go and marry second wife or pregnant women. Some are doing it, yes, some are doing it. That's their choice. But my own advice is what I will give to you now. Remember, Nigeria now, our land, Igbo land is no longer. Every single woman now, 99% of women now, young and old, their eyes sharp, money, money, money. What they will get, that's what they are. Your own interest, they don't have that your own interest again. Now, if you go home now to pregnant a girl, all your life, what we focus is how to drain you, how to get money from you. Build house in her father's house, build house for her mother, her father, take all her brothers and sisters abroad. Even those the children you born, you will be surprised that they will be training them, because you will keep them in Nigeria, you come back here. They will be training them, teaching them, keeping them how to travel, how to disturb you to travel whenever they grow up. That's your interest. They will put it aside. They will put your own. And again, remember, the women have made it obvious now that if you keep us outside, we will be called. They are making it public now to everybody. You understand me? Now, remember that woman, the worst thing is that woman you keep in Nigeria, who will born for your generation, who will extend your generation, who will keep your generation. You will be working 24 hours in Europe to take care of her and take care of the man that is servicing her. 99%, I'm not saying all, but 99%. You have seen it. Women are telling you now. Before you open your mouth, your wife will tell you, what about men? What about men? Because their own now is open challenge. Because you are doing, I'm going to do. It is now 90% of women have declared it. Talk of the woman you keep in Nigeria. So now, the woman who you want to extend that your generation, if you pregnant a woman, now you have shared your life 3 times with this thing. Your own interest is not with her. She is following her own interest. All she wants is how to take you, how to take you. You marry second wife, the same problem. All she wants is how to take you, how to eat you, how to develop her own person, train her boyfriend. Even there's every possibility that if you have 3 children with her, one is not yours, or only one might be yours. So you see the danger. So my advice is this: if you have a child in Nigeria, if he's a obedient child or useful child, you thank your God. If he's among the wayward and useless ones, then thank your God. Take your life as a pray to your God. Do your best to hoping that one day he will come back. But if you do see this going home to marry, going home to pregnant, going home to adopt, don't put your hand in it, because what's happening now is that those women, you will say you marry a girl, she will they will end up in meganka. If you are going to live 90 years, they will frustrate you. Either they will kill you, so that because after they have targeted and they get all your documents, everything, lay hand on your properties, they will kill you. They will put poison to kill you, so that they will face their boyfriend. They will force a young man who is servicing them. And remember again, we are now, some of us are 50, 80, 90. A man of 60 years, when you want to go and marry, you go and marry 25 years, do your thing, go home, have something that you can use to be taking care of yourself until you die. Your children will come and bury you, and you forget this life. Don't put sorrow. Don't add sorrow upon sorrow, problem upon problem, shortening your life. Say you want to go and marry a second wife. You want to go and impregnate a second wife. It will cause you more harm. In my own experience. Thank you very much. And this is the conclusion of this matter. I remain your own brother Mazoke. Well, the regular wonder Omondoba. The man I call Yukuna the Manonia. Why did I come into the bush whenever I want to talk about sensitive something like this? Here you see nature. Because I am a natural man. I was trained and brought up I was born and brought up in the bush. I believe that bush is where the truth always come out raw, and then with the brain always grab the truth from the bush. Thank you, and remain blessed as it is.